Welcome to the channel. I'm Dave and this is Road Garage. Today is dyno day. We get a dyno, this twin turboed zo6 Corvette. We got to see what kind of power it's putting down. Do some final tuning to it as well. You can see here the truck. She's getting back together. Just fired it up the other day for the first time. Super excited about that. So we're off. We got to get going. We'll see you there. How did that sound? It sounded good. Two of your tubes are your downpipes and your other two are your wastegates.
That's awesome. It looks so clean to do it this way.
I did V-bands and stuff on that.
Where's the turbo?
Badass, man.
Oh, there they are.
Not bad for a contractor, eh? Yeah.
Yeah, I want to see how you remodel a house.
All right, so we're gonna go around and we're gonna see what everybody's predictions are for horsepower. I am guessing 980.
I'm also guessing over 1,000.
Jesse?
I think it's gonna be 1,036.
How could you stop at 980?
Well, I figure 980. I figure 980 at the tire is like 1,200. And we, and our turbos are 1,100 horse turbos. So unless you snuck some bigger turbos in there, and I'm thinking I have smaller ones.
Yeah, no, I thought you had the big ones, the 1250s.
Okay.
So, okay. So I'll save 1020.
Okay, 1020 rigs. Anybody else want to guess?
I don't know. I don't know much about cars, but anything over 1,000 sounds pretty good.
So we're just about ready. We had to take those spacers off so that my tires wouldn't rub and take out my fenders, which that would have really sucked. And then they're just gonna fire it up, get it all lined up so that it's like centered on the dyno and ready to go. And we are almost ready for our first pull. And one thing that's friggin' awesome, I just talked to Rick about it. He said he's gonna give us a flame tune. So let's see how amazing, or possibly, we get some flames. Not bad for low boost. Just over 700 at the tire. All right, we're gonna see what it is. High boost. It's like, I think around 11, 12 pounds. actually, I think even though I had guessed 980, I think I'm the one that won because everybody else was over 1,000. 800, that's still fast as hell.
That's where I run my car.
That's even when we were talking. It's like
it made 1130 or something, but I never ever run it. It's just the big turbos aren't that fun to drive. These are super responsive, quite fun.
Well,
That's plenty of power for unless you're going to be making freeway pulls from 100 miles an hour and going 200.
Yeah.
That thing will pass on pretty much anything.
everybody wants kind of like the bragging rights to be the big number, and that was the only part of running it up more. But with how it felt out at your shop on high boost, I'm like, I'm good.
How much did it make on high on that one before?
Like 11. I mean, but it was.
See, so I was making 11 at 42, and we turned it up to freaking 80, and it still made 11.
It must just be
So
because of
it's
loading.
Just, the Dyno just unload.
Yeah, because like when I was at your shop, I mean, when I was like a third gear pull and with 11 pounds, I mean, it was like getting up on the back tire and like doing the skipping thing, and I'm like.
And that's exactly where you want it. If you get a bunch more, then it just blows the tires. If it's just hunting for traction,
I
that's.
grabbed my cable. I was like,
Well, we're back. It was a good dyno day. Everything went good. The best thing is, it's still in one piece. We didn't break anything, we didn't blow a head gasket. It's not leaking any fluids. It still has everything it left with, which is fantastic. So, as we know, it made 795 horse at the tires, basically 800, but we ran out of turbo. So it was 10 pounds of boost. 10 pounds of boost is all it would end up making. So while I was there, I'm thinking, oh, I should be good with that. And as how things go and how projects go, enough is never enough. So we're gonna end up putting the big turbos on this thing. So the big turbos, we're hoping for somewhere above 1,000 at the tires. So until then, we're out. That's all we got for you today. Give a shout out and a special thanks to the guys at Adrenaline Dyno. They're in Salt Lake. We're gonna leave a link in the description on the video that you can contact them if you guys need any dyno work. They're really great to work with, and they have a really awesome facility.